Hi, I'm David Bleckley. I have two great passions in life, music and making a difference. For my entire life, I've been trying to find the intersection of the two, and now that I've found it, I'm here to share it with you. Around the world, there are communities with great ideas to improve their quality of life, but they don't have the funds to put those ideas into action. As a Peace Corps volunteer in Senegal, West Africa, I saw firsthand how difficult it can be for a community to raise even $100 to fund a project, because people are living in extreme poverty and there is never a surplus. One thing there was never a shortage of, though, was music. It permeates life every day. I want to work with these communities to record local music, sell the recordings online, and return 100% of the funds to the communities to fund their locally driven development efforts. It's a really simple idea, connecting people through culture and transforming local music into funds for development. I've been planning, thinking about, and cultivating this idea for 8 years. I even went to grad school to get a master's degree in nonprofit management just so I could make this happen and do it effectively. In other words, it's a really simple idea, and it's one of the most important things in my life. And making this simple idea into reality takes a lot of hard work and support from a lot of folks. I'm here to ask you to be one of those people. Last year, I created Community Voice International and began working with Joshua Snyder, a Peace Corps volunteer in Senegal. We started a pilot version of the project in 2 small communities who want to sell their recordings to fund things like a women's group and community gardens. We are so close to releasing the first recordings that it's painful, and the music that you hear right now is from one of our recording sessions. Now, I'm going to scale up the project. This spring, I'm traveling to Senegal myself to meet with communities all across the country, to talk about the work that Community Voice does to facilitate development and to record music in each community. This work is important. It will make an incredible difference in the lives of our partner community members. Imagine how frustrating it would be to have amazing ideas about how to provide a better life for your family and neighbors, but to lack the $100 or $200 it would take to make it happen. Now imagine what it would feel like to learn that people around the world want to hear your story and your song so much that they will pay money to hear you, and that you can use that money to create a better life for you and your family. That's what I want to do for communities in Senegal. That's why I'm here asking you to contribute to Music for Development, to invest in the recording process, knowing that the music our partner communities are going to produce will be fantastic, and to tell others about our work. Your help makes a real difference. Thank you.